Alright, I'm here in West Philly, Best Philly, looking at a job. Homeowner would like to replace all these rocks with mulch. Okay, he's got the weed guard down. So you mentioned weed guard and mulch. There's a slope, slopes right to the house. I'm seeing that, but interesting. All the rocks to get out of here. That's what he would like to do. He said it's about 22 by 18, so we'll see. So I do see the weed guard down right through here. Looks pretty good too. Actually, he just needs the mulch thrown in here. Maybe cheaper for him. He's already got that in. No sense tearing it up. So, yeah, it's all compatible. That makes sense to me. All right, it's Pat from EAS Landscaping. We are in University City in West Philadelphia. So basically took most of these stones out to give us some kind of base to work from, so they're not too lumpy-dumpy. And we're redoing the landscape fabric. The older stuff just kind of deteriorated and a lot of weeds. You can see what it looks like over there. And the bottom tenant has 2 dogs, so they want it to be a little bit better. So we're putting down playground playground chips or playground mulch, and it's basically just Pennsylvania hardwoods. Will stand up to anything. And that's where we're putting down some playground chips. All right, so dumping stuff in. The weed guard is down and kind of overlapped it in certain spots, and there is a tarp that's underneath here, but that didn't really work out too well. Who knows how long that's been here. So we got the playground chips coming in. I always like to, on the edges here, I like to sort of hand do these just to get them the right length, the right height rather, and kind of get that all the way around, so I'm not in the end just tossing it in there because it end up going into somebody's yard. Although I don't know if anybody lives in that unit right there, but I like to kind of place it in around, place it in everywhere around, and then kind of do the bulk dump. So we'll keep rolling here. Moving along. Pretty sharp. Looking about 2.5, almost 3 inches. And I kind of compacted down over here just to get that kind of in. It's below the lip of the patio, so may have to put some kind of border there, but I don't want to trip over that. So, and then I think they have their table there, but they could easily put some cheap cement steppers over there, square guys, have another area where they could sit, and yeah, this will work. That weed guard should keep all the weeds out pretty well. Just a little maybe spraying around the edges would probably work, even though they have dogs, they always have to be careful of that.